one basic question certainly is, we have different languages in the world, and are those different languages processed and represented in the same way in the human brain? Certainly one would think in the beginning it should be the case, because children all over the world learn those different languages with a similar kind of brain. So somehow the mechanisms should be the same. Now the question is, what is different? Take the extreme case. Now we are not looking at French and German, but we are looking at a spoken language and a sign language. And a sign language is a real language. It has grammar, it has the lexicon, and it even has prosody. Interestingly, the prosody in this type of sign languages are often expressed by the eyebrows, and sort of how you change sort of the eyebrows tells you something about prosodic information. So the input is really different. So you use your hands, you use your face, and the question is, are still the same brain areas processing prosody, semantics, and syntax? Yes, we can say yes. So what you can see certainly is that you first have to go through your visual system to do your particular analysis, but then similar to when you are reading, once you are over this particular analysis of visual information processing, when it really comes to the linguistics of it, that is the semantics, the grammar, and the prosody, the same brain areas are activated even in subjects that have sort of not learned an auditory language but a sign language. Another interesting issue might be the following. When looking at prosodic information, in some languages prosodic information is relevant for syntactic processes. In other languages it is relevant for lexical processes. And we know that the lexical processes are taking place in the left hemisphere. And it's very interesting to see that the prosodic information that carries lexical information is processed in the same brain regions like words and semantics in an auditory sort of language that does not take tonal information to process semantics. So what I'm saying is the following. It's the function that is relevant for where a particular element is processed in the brain, not its form.